Tonight was a regular school board meeting for ISD 318 held in the District Educational Services Center in the former Southwest building. The school board heard from Director of Buildings and Grounds, Darren Cherney. He gave his annual report on the operations and maintenance department, discussed the almost 1 million square feet of facilities that our staff operate and maintain, as well as the grounds, and shared great detail about that. The school board also heard a report from Andy Forbort, who is the principal who serves our area learning center, serves about 100 students, and seeing success after moving here to this same building, a number of students graduating and getting their credits completed in partnership with area schools. So that was a great report. The school board heard a number of changes relative to staffing, a number of retirements and resignations, as well as some hires to fill those positions. Also, the board took action on some restructuring and contracts related to financial management. School board will be making some changes in the business office as it prepares to take over the business operations for ISD 319 in Nashwauk-Keewatin. The board was recognized tonight. February is School Board Recognition Month. Our school board has many, many years of service to the community and to the children here. The school board, like none other, takes this job very, very seriously. Highly trained and highly committed to this area. So a lot of gratitude and thanks to them. Updated some policies as well, and heard from our student school board rep, Owen Racine, tonight about some things that are happening in the Grand Rapids High School this spring, and that's it for now.